Have you ever wondered how nature can provide remedies for common health issues? Well, the answers might be more surprising than you think. Today we dive into the world of natural remedies to explore the health benefits of a little-known herb, Quassia. Quassia, a tree native to the Caribbean and South America, holds a treasure trove of health benefits treasured by herbalists for centuries. Its wood and bark have been used to create remedies for various ailments, making it a potent tool in the world of natural medicine. One of the standout benefits of Quassia is its ability to aid digestion. It works as a natural digestive stimulant, helping to break down food more efficiently and relieve symptoms of indigestion. So, if you've been dealing with tummy troubles, Quassia might just be the natural solution you've been looking for. Quassia also packs a punch when it comes to combating fevers. It's been used as a natural antipyretic, helping to reduce high temperatures and alleviate the discomfort that comes with a fever. This benefit alone makes Quassia a valuable addition to any herbal medicine cabinet. But that's not all. Quassia has also shown potential in supporting liver health. It helps to stimulate the liver, promoting its detoxifying functions and potentially protecting against liver diseases. This, coupled with its digestive benefits, makes Quassia a powerful ally for your internal organs. Another fascinating benefit of Quassia is its potential as a natural insect repellent. It contains compounds that deter pests, making it a natural and environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic insecticides. So, to recap, Quassia is a potent natural remedy with a myriad of health benefits. It aids digestion, helps to reduce fevers, supports liver health, and even acts as a natural insect repellent. All these benefits are wrapped up in a single humble tree. But remember, as with all natural remedies, it's important to use Quassia responsibly and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. The world of natural remedies is vast and fascinating, but it's also important to navigate it wisely. That's all for today's exploration of Quassia and its health benefits. Here's to finding natural solutions for better health.